Hi, and welcome to the NBCC School of Information Technology. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Programmer Analyst, Web and Mobile Application Development, and Gaming Experience Development programs that we offer. Just as an introduction, my name is Chris London, and I'm the coordinating instructor at our St. John campus. So let's talk about the reason you're here. What are you going to learn? All three of the programs that we're talking about today are two-year programs with shared technology courses and shared soft skills courses in the first year, as well as some specialty courses. And then in the second year, they each go off and have program-specific specialty courses. Some of the shared courses that you're going to take in all of these courses are going to include hardware, networking, operating systems, and introduction to programming and introduction to web development. Some of the shared soft skills courses include interpersonal communications, applied writing, technical writing, and there's a business course designed specifically for IT professionals and how we fit into the business world. First year specialty courses for Programmer Analyst and Web and Mobile Application Development are responsive web design, object-oriented programming and database programming, JavaScript, hybrid mobile development, database design, introduction to and intermediate SQL, object-oriented analysis and design, project management, and then either computer math and statistics or digital imaging for web. If you take the Programmer Analyst program, at the St. John campus you will have Kathy Burchell, Chris London, and Stephen Monk as your faculty. At the Fredericton campus you'll have Kevin Burke, Bruce McClary, and Nick Taggart. You'll also have other instructors who come in to teach some courses that are involved, but these will be the main instructors that you will have at these campuses. You may wonder what a Programmer Analyst does. Well, what we do is we build business application programs. So those programs that you use when you go to a store or work in a factory or somewhere in a warehouse or when somebody is buying something online. All of those things are business application specific programming, and that's what we teach our students to do. So in order to build these business applications, we need a set of tools that we can use to help those businesses get what they need. So some of the tools that we will teach you in your second year are PHP, data analysis, Linux and Unix, Java, advanced Java, entrepreneurship. You'll do a software design project as well as a comprehensive software development project where you're going to build the project that you actually designed. At the end of this, there's an 8-week work integrated learning experience where you'll be placed in an industry situation and get to work on real industry problems for real industry employers. Some of the roles that our graduates have found themselves working in are Programmer Analyst, Software Developer, Web Developer, Database Developer or Database Administrator, Project Manager, a Business Analyst or a Systems Analyst, Technical Analysts, Technical Writers, and Support Analysts. You can see to the right some of our major employer partners from around the area that have taken many of our graduates and are very happy with them. If you take the Web and Mobile Application Development, that is based at the Moncton campus. You can see a list of your faculty off to the right and also understand that many of these faculty also cross-teach in the Gaming Experience Development program that is also hosted in Moncton. We've got an app for that. The Web and Mobile Application Development program is exactly what it sounds like. You will build web pages and mobile applications for devices. A lot of the second year specialty courses for the web and mobile app development may look familiar from the Programmer Analyst program, but they also have a few very specific mobile development courses. So they'll take Java and Enterprise Java. They will take some advanced JavaScript and JavaScript frameworks. They'll do a lot of work with the MVC and the .NET Core. They're going to teach you N-tier development as well as PHP, iOS development using Swift, Android development using Kotlin, as well as some QA testing. They also have multiple second-year projects where you work as a team and build some comprehensive projects. There is also a work integrated learning placement at the end of the web and mobile app development program. Some of the roles that web and mobile application development graduates have found themselves in include software developer, application developer, web application developer, mobile application developer, interactive media developer, programmer analyst, business application programmer, game developer, systems analyst, quality assurance or software application tester, or database developer or database administrator. As you can see to the right, web and mobile application development graduates have a long list of opportunities from small to large operations, including startups, consulting firms, government, and most of the graduates do stay here in New Brunswick. The Gaming Experience Development Program is specifically at the Moncton campus as well, and the primary faculty member for that is David Burchell. David also cross-teaches in the web and mobile application development, and some of those faculty will cross-teach in this as well. As you may have guessed from the title, this program was specifically designed for game-focused programming. While many of the first-term courses are the same as the Web and Mobile and Programmer Analyst programs, there are some other common courses with the Gaming Experience Development Program. And those are Fundamentals of C++, Object-Oriented Programming in C++, Data Structures and Automation using C++, Game Development in C++. They often also do Software Engineering, Applied Math for IT, Math and Stats for Applied Programming, Java, Android, and QA testing. And like the other programs, there's an 8-week practicum or work integrated learning. Graduates of the Gaming Experience Development Program have found success in careers such as a game developer, lottery games developer, software developer, application developer, and web developer. And you can see a list of our small, medium, and large operations where our graduates have gone to work and have been very successful. One of the exciting things about IT programs at the New Brunswick Community College is that all of our 2-year IT diplomas will automatically give you the opportunity to go on and do the 1-year advanced post-diploma program in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a huge and growing field right now. Another nice feature of our 2-year IT diploma programs at the New Brunswick Community College is that we are constantly negotiating articulation agreements with universities. And we have some articulation agreements that allow you to go on after you've finished your 2 years at the New Brunswick Community College and do another 2 or maybe slightly more years of study and end up with a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science or a Bachelor of Applied Management. Applied research is another big focus that we look at in our IT programs at the New Brunswick Community College. And we're always looking for opportunities to have you work on projects or directly with industry for applied learning projects. A common question everybody wants to know are, how much do our graduates make? And that's a really good question. IT graduates from the New Brunswick Community College can generally expect to have an average starting salary somewhere between $40,000 and $50,000 Canadian per year. All graduates of the New Brunswick Community College have a very good opportunity to find employment. 89% of the college graduates are employed within the first year, 94 of whom are employed right here in New Brunswick. And the really good news is the information technology programs are always one of the highest rates of employment. I hope I've answered most of your questions about the IT programs that are offered at the New Brunswick Community College. If I haven't, please feel free to schedule a personal call with one of our recruitment advisors, and you can find their information on our website, or feel free to contact me directly for any IT program specific information, and I can be reached at chris.london@nbcc.ca. Thank you.